Here video, hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again we are talking about the Zilliqa. What's the current price of the Zilliqa, what's the price changes occurring in Zilliqa, and especially this video is very important for all Zilliqa holders because in this video I'm talking about the very urgent update of the Zilliqa, the latest price update, the latest price changes update, and which is the next move of Zilliqa, and this video I will show you friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Friends, if you look the current price of the Zilliqa, so you can see here 0.115589 USD dollar is the current price of the Zilliqa. On the other side, if you look the price changes occurs in the Zilliqa, so as you can see here from the previous last 1 week, the price changes occurs in the Zilliqa is going down. Friends, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend price changes occur in the Zilliqa is going down. Friends, what's the reason behind it? Why the price of the Zilliqa is going down hour by hour, day by day, friends? Let me show you friends, and let's see the price chart of the Zilliqa of the last 1 day friends. Let's see. As you can see here, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Zilliqa. You can see here, if you look the starting time of the month, so as you can see here they take a jump, but unfortunately in the middle of month they again fall down friends. So you can see here, if you look the average level changes occur in the Zilliqa, so I think at this time the Zilliqa is in the falls. That is why the price changes occurs in the Zilliqa is negative 34.91%. The price of the Zilliqa is going down friends. And if you look the highest price of the Zilliqa, so 0.250985 USD dollar is the highest price of the Zilliqa. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Now friends, what is my prediction about Zilliqa? So friends, remember that my prediction about Zilliqa at this time is going positive friends. But now on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, I think that there is a jump coming soon in the Zilliqa. And if you look the last 5 minutes price chart, so you can see here in the last hours the jump you can see here. So I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, and I believe that the Zilliqa give us a good amount of profit. That is why I suggest my prediction about Zilliqa as positive, because now in the last hour the price changes occur in the Zilliqa is going positive friends. So that is why I'm sure that the Zilliqa price is going upward friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and again I will request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.